Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Garden Channel. Today is June the 6th, 2018, and I wanted to show you the little baby watermelon that we have hanging on. Now, I will be putting a board under this watermelon so that it's not laying on the ground and that it doesn't rot. They do have watermelon holders. I've never tried them. I can put some links below for you, but I will tell you I have never tried them. I just use a regular board to set them on, and that'll help prevent them from rotting and from anything from the ground attacking them. Now, it's not a guaranteed thing, but it does help. And let me see if I can find any more here. Here's another little one over here. There he is. A little watermelon there. And let me see here. There's so many blooms in here. And these plants are so large. They're past the cabbage now. And they've passed the, they're going after this tomato plant here. And here's another little watermelon here. And there was one on the side of the fence that I did get to pollinate that one. I don't see any cantaloupes yet, but I can't see what's actually in because I can't get into that. I just wanted to give you that quick update. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.